on the membership number. Anything else for the net today, Walt?
That'll do it, Jim. 7-3.
All right, 7-3, my friend. Breaking with Walt. Let's take up Juliet Echo Mike. Come on aboard.
Good morning, Jim. November 9th, Juliet Echo Mike. We're located up here in Nokomis, Illinois, with 28 degrees and sunny. Supposed to get up to 45 today. I doubt if it does, but that's what they say. And my South car number is 9752 in JPM Factory.
Contact. Well, you got a contact in there, Richard. Contact, go ahead.
Thank you, Jim. Richard, are you anywhere near Compton, Illinois? I don't even know where Compton, Illinois is at. Well,